Hello everyone, introduce my name is Indah Zila Putri from the Indonesian Language and Literature Education Study Program. Here I will introduce the Indonesian Language Study Program University Muhammadiyah Tangerang to all of you. What is being taught in Indonesian? Indonesian Language and Literature Education is a field that teaches Indonesian language skill well and effectively, such as listening, speaking, reading, and writing skill. We learn the proper way to teach it. Learn about morphology, phonology, semantics, syntax, and so on. Material in the field of literature ranging from impression to the study of work. Knowledge and activities of Indonesian language and literature education or communication skill, writing communication skill, reading comprehension ability, ability to perform analysis. There are many advantages that can be obtained from graduates of Indonesian language education. The main career opportunity for graduates of Indonesian language education is to become an Indonesian language teacher. There are many advantages can be obtained from graduates of Indonesian language education. The main career opportunity is to become an Indonesian language teacher. But make no mistake, a teacher can travel around Indonesia to teach Indonesian to various regions, especially those that lack teaching staff. In addition to being a teacher, you can have a career at the Research and Development Agency of the Ministry of Education Culture. A career in the education sector by becoming an Indonesian language teacher in school is often the main course for graduates of Indonesian language education department to become a professional teacher. A teacher competency certification or an educator certificate is also required. There are also various career opportunities that can be tried. The career paths offered are quite varied. With the knowledge you have learning in lecture, you can try to develop your potential in media sector. Studying at Indonesian Language Education Department 4 years or 8 semester will explore language skill, linguistic, as well literature, and of course also be with ability to teach. Something that learns everything about language starting from how to form a word, correct word, pronunciation, sentence structure, and also will authors. Materials about poetry, prose, novel, dramatics, and other literary works are also widely studied. What distinguishes the Department of Indonesian Language Education from Indonesian literature is the material about education. In the Department of Indonesian Language Education, you will learn to become a competent teacher complete with education management knowledge. Some courses include reading skill, listening skill, writing skill, literary theory, curriculum and textbook study, Indonesian language teaching training, Indonesian language learning strategies, Indonesian language learning and learner. Some courses include reading skill, listening skill, writing skill, literary theory, curriculum and textbook studies, Indonesian language teaching planning, Indonesian language learning strategies, Indonesian language learning, Indonesian language development, evaluation, and measurement in learning. An interpreter experts in translating orally both simultaneously and consecutively, which is usually found on the occasion of international meetings and so on. The interpreter must focus on the meaning of the cause of word asked. In addition to translating the contents of in the conversation, the interpreter is required to find out the depth of the conversation participant profile before carrying out the task. Generally, interpreters are people who are culturally literate and have broad insight. The interpreter must be neutral, must not add or subtract meaning with his own interpretation. Thus, the interpreter is required to convey precisely and correctly, including the implied idea to content conversation. Interpreting has immediate nature, in contrast to translation, which is not immediately, so you have time to open the dictionary and look for equivalent words. Being and interpreting becomes communication bridge for two people who are conversation using two different languages. Knowledge and practice communication skill, mastery of foreign language, diction mastery, logical thinking skill, structured thinking skill, and fast and immediate character. If you want to have character in this profession, then the knowledge that must be mastered are English literature, Arabic literature, Japanese literature, Chinese literature, French literature, Dutch literature, German literature, Russian literature, Korean literature, and other language. One journalist or reporter. A journalist is referred to as someone who carries out journalistic activities such as writing, analyzing, and reporting, and even to the public talks the mass media on a regular basis. Journalistic activities are carried out in the various mass media such as newspapers, magazines, radio, television, and online media. Journalists are often considered as representative of the community voice regarding various events that exist and occur in the community. In the production of new report, editor also involved to check the content to maintain quality of report. As reported by Compass with a high living wage, journalists are expected to be able to work professionally without being tempted to give up their dream because of welfare issue. Even so, not all mass media can apply this. Many people think that the journalist profession, especially journalists, only work to read, travel, and meet important people. In fact, the high demands of journalist job make him unable to go on vacation. 2. Author or content writer. The author is a creative actor who creates a written work in the form of fiction, novel, short story, and poetry, and non-fiction, scientific work, paper, journal, and article. The work created by the author usually represents his idea, thoughts, and feelings. The author's field of work is not only limited to book and text. There are also writers who are involved in writing the screenplay for advertisement. Now, writers who work in the advertising industry are usually members of the creative and scriptwriter division. No writers who work in the advertising industry are usually members of the creative and scriptwriter division. The screenwriter are tasked with writing advertising scripts so that the message to be contained touch a product can be understood by the audience. Well, that's it for me. More or less sorry if there are errors in the delivery of the material. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.